Keemstar, can you stop that snoring? It's annoying me. Oh my gosh. Please, stop snoring. There must be something I can do to make Keemstar stop snoring. Maybe. I have a plan. I should wake him and tell him to stop snoring. Here I go now. Alright. Here I go now. Keemstar, wake up. And stop snoring.
Grunt. What? What just happened? Oh. Am I snoring? Oops. Ha ha ha. Sorry, Jake Paul.
That's okay, Keemstar. You shouldn't bother me when you're snoring while you were asleep. Right?
Yeah, I guess you're right, Jake Paul. But right now let's go back to sleep.
Okay, Keemstar. Off to sleep.